Come with me, everyone, as we replace the clutch plates on a 2014 to 2016 Honda CTX 700. Because apparently limits aren't meant to be pushed, at least not in the Facebook group I'm a part of, for these bikes. Step 1, drain the oil. Instead of a 12 mil socket, make sure you use your 12 millimeter wrench. You can't find your lovely, blessed wrench when you need it. Don't forget the drain pan. There it is, dusty. Make sure you scare yourself and burn yourself on the exhaust. Good, you should have it warmed up. Delicious. That ain't draining. Well, this is going to be fun. In order to reach your drain plug, make sure you pull off all the proper cowling and whatnot, and to help it drain faster. Where did it go? Let your engine breathe out the oil. Mint. Oh look, I think I see some clutch material in there. Confirmed, the CTX 700 is not burnout approved, nor rolling burnout approved. Delicious engineering. While that drains, you're going to want to also disconnect your clutch cable, so this way it'll be easier to put back on after this is done. Once again, you're going to use your 8 millimeter close bolt wrench to pop all these off. Hooray. Before you go ahead and pull off all your bolts, make sure you take what is that in there? Make sure you take a paint marker and mark all the spots where all the bolts went at and the angle they went in before you broke them free, so you know exactly where they all go back. Guess what I didn't do? Want your fuel efficient economy missile? Well, should say frigate is done bleeding its oil. Make sure you pop back in your drain plug, and make sure while you're here, put a new crush ring and a new fuel filter while you're at it. Guess what's not happening? Your easiest ones you're gonna have will be right here. I'll be against taking them out of the bracket, but do move the bracket somewhere up out of the way where they're not gonna interfere with anything. Or just peel it off altogether. The choice is yours. Well, look at that. I guess we are going to go ahead and mark them, since we just now saw some bolts are longer than the other one. And now I needed to guess which one it went into. Great. Oh, look at that. It has the 2 or 3 long screws right there. Shows what happens when you actually read things. Well, we also didn't disconnect that. That's going to come back to bite us. To address that part, we're going to disconnect the battery instead. I am indeed a genius. Get you a proper pry bar and not smack yourself in the face like I just did. Then we're on the steps, and behold, the Honda 6-speed transmission that's also connected to that. It's probably still connected up top. I guess we were wrong. It's under the shelter. No, go figure. Smells like burnt clutch in here. On to the next video. Stay tuned for the fun and excitement as we get under here to disconnect this thing. Thank you.